Hello everyone and welcome to the VibeHub tutorial on how to deposit NEO and NEOGas onto your VibeHub account so you can play Vibe or Die or any other games in the VibeHub ecosystem. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to head to our website, VibeHub.io. Once you get to our website here, you can click on the top right. Then you're going to want to log into your account. If you have not yet registered, you're going to click on the register button and then register your account and log in. Once you're logged in to Vibe or Die, you just take a quick run through of our website here, and you're going to click the top right corner, and now you're going to see all of your Vibe, Ethereum, BNB, NEO, and gas balances in the right hand corner of the screen. So you click NEO, and you'll be brought to your NEO page where you'll see the chart, and you scroll down here, you'll see all your NEO transactions that you've made. So we always display the transactions made on the VibeHub platform, whether you're playing Vibe or Die or your withdrawals or deposits, all of your transactions will display in here. So you'll scroll up and you'll select deposit. You want to connect to your O3 wallet. If you don't have an O3 NEO wallet, you can just select Get O3 Wallet here. It's a really simple process, and you'll install that onto your computer. But if you already have a NEO O3 wallet, you can just go ahead and connect to it. Okay, and once you get your O3 NEO wallet, you'll see here, you'll see Connect to O3 NEO, and you select that. Then you'll see a notification pop up on your screen where we are accessing your O3 wallet, and you just select Connect. You won't see it on my screen, but you'll see it on yours. You select Connect. And now you'll see your whatever you have in your NEO O3 wallet come up here in the left-hand corner of your screen. So now you can open up your O3 wallet, and now you'll see everything right there. So just for people who haven't used the NEO O3 wallet before, this is your address here, right up here. And if you are looking to send any NEO from an exchange here, this is the address you'll send to. So you can just select, and if you're on Binance or any other exchange, this is the address you'll put in, and then your whatever amount of NEO or NEOGas you've sent will show up here. So now you'll select deposit. And now you'll select the amount of NEO you want to move on to the VibeHub platform so you can play Vibe or Die or any other games we have integrated. So in this example, we use 1, and you'll select Start Deposit. And you'll come up with a notification on your screen. You won't see it on mine, but you'll see it on yours where you'll select Approve. And now NEO will ask you to enter your password that you would have used during the sign-up process. And once all confirmation is complete, you'll see successfully received your NEO, and you can just go ahead and refresh your screen, connect to your O3 wallet again, and now you'll see your new balance here updated on your VibeHub account. And once you update this, that'll be the exact same. Your account will show up on the Vibe or Die game or any other games with your NEO balance that's on our website here. And it's the same process with NEOGas as well. So in the top right corner here, you scroll down and you can go to gas. And you'll see your gas balance on your VibeHub account off-chain and your gas balance in your NEO O3 wallet on-chain. So you just go ahead and select deposit. And then select whatever amount of gas you want to send from your NEO O3 wallet onto your VibeHub account. So in this example, use 10. We'll select Start Deposit. You'll come up with a notification on your screen to approve the transaction. You won't see it on mine, but you'll see it on yours. You select Approve. Then you wait for 60 confirmations. And once all confirmations have went through, now you'll see successfully receive your deposit to VibeNet. You can just go ahead and refresh your page. And now you'll see your new balance here on your VibeHub account. So a pretty simple process here. NEO made it really easy when installing their O3 wallet. So if you guys are new to using the NEO O3 wallet, it's a pretty easy process. And then anytime you're ever using NEO or Gas, all your transactions using both of them are shown here on your VibeNet account. So that's it for this tutorial, everybody. We have more tutorials out there right now, so we'll have a tutorial for you guys on how to withdraw NEO or Gas from your VibeHub account back onto your O3 wallet, so you can leave it on your NEO O3 wallet or move it back to exchanges. We'll have a tutorial free for that, as well as tutorials on how to download and install VibeHub.io and how to navigate the menu of VibeHub.io and the gameplay. So we'll have a link there for you for a complete tutorial guide on a Medium blog, as well as we'll have a link for you if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about any of the tutorials, including if you guys need help with this. We'll have a Telegram support. We have a Telegram support channel where you guys can have instant messaging with our team, so you guys can have any questions or anything like that. We'd be more than happy to answer them. So thank you all so much for watching this video, everybody. We really hope you enjoy the VibeHub gaming ecosystem, and we'll be seeing you all again soon.